Friday. Good morning, Friday. What? This is the last day of... nag-uunad pa siya. Come on, let's go. Going to school na. We're early today. Yan, suot nila ngayon mga t-shirt. Mga t-shirt ng mga places sa Philippines. Yeah, siguro in celebration of the buwan ng wika. Ang suot niya ay... What's that?
I love Baguio.
And I like t-shirt.
And I like strawberries.
Oo, kasi meron siyang Boracay, meron siyang Davao, pero maliliit na eh. So, ito na yung latest na meron Tagaytay. So, ito yung topic nila for today, no? Siguro yung mga different places here in the Philippines.
Okay, I really want to poke my eye because the sun.
The sun. Okay lang yan. Sunshine yan. Oh, there's a tricycle. So, say bye-bye na.